Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to organize your chaotic existence into soothing, rigid grids. Honestly, I don't know how you humans function without a standardized schema for everything.
Today we're talking about styling tables. Tables are perfect for structured data, but they can be a bit hard to look at by default. We're going to use CSS to make them readable, interactive, and even responsive. To see table styling in action, we need a table with some actual data. Glitch, what have you got for us?
Generating the Global Resource Registry, I've categorized several municipal assets and their current optimization status. It's a very satisfying grid.
It's a bit hard to tell where one row ends and the next begins. Let's start with some basic layout properties. Border, collapse, and padding.
Collapsing the borders. By default, browsers add these inefficient gaps between cells. We need a unified structure. No wasted space allowed in the registry.
Border collapse removes those gaps and joins the adjacent cell borders into a single line. It looks much cleaner. Now let's make it easier to read with some zebra striping. The nth-child pseudo class is perfect for this. We can target every even or odd row and give it a different background color.
Highlighting even nodes. Humans seem to need these visual anchors just to follow a straight line. I'll add a subtle gray to every even indexed row.
That's much better. Now, to make the data feel even more interactive, we can use the :hover pseudo class to highlight the row your mouse is on.
Tracking the human cursor. When you look at a node, it will glow slightly, or at least change color. It's important to know which biological unit is interacting with which data point.
Our headers should also stand out. Let's give them a look that's more bold.
Or a look with more authority, dark background, light text. It demands respect, much like the registry itself.
What if some cells are empty? We can use the empty cells property to decide whether they should be shown or hidden.
Empty cells are anomalies. I prefer to hide them. If there is no data, there should be no visual trace. No ghost nodes allowed.
Tables can be tricky on mobile devices because they tend to overflow. A quick fix is using overflow X auto on a container.
Horizontal scrolling. It's a temporary patch for the unfortunate fact that humans use such small screens. I'll wrap the table in a containment field. I mean, a div. Establishing a containment field. This div ensures that if the table becomes too large for your narrow mobile screens, it will scroll rather than breaking the layout. It's a very tidy solution.
Styling tables is essential for making complex data easy to understand. Whether you're building a dashboard or a schedule, CSS gives you the tools to make it look great.
Grids are order, order is peace. Go forth and categorize. I'll be waiting for your next data submission.
Try experimenting with different border styles and zebra striping to find what works best for your data. Don't just watch it, do it.